Alright. I think I'm... So we're getting all mixed up. What's going on here? While I've got these 4 videos uploading, I'm going to make another video. So I'll have 5 videos uploading of the videos uploading. Playing even. This isn't playing. And I swear to God, I've not been drinking a drop. This is just something I came up with. This is what it looks like when you've got 4 videos uploading at once. Alright, that's the WTF no oil. Now we've got the, want to get them from longest to shortest if you want them to. Alright, well, I just explained a lot of stuff here, never mind. Actually, I can speed this up. I think I should, I don't know. This is video 6, though.